If you're searching for the perfect button-up shirt, which one would you choose? The Tomboy, the Max, or the Maxence? They're very different in several aspects, so let's find out the main characteristics of each one. Maybe this deep review and try on, also with a lot of styling, can help you in your choice. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, hello, my name is Sandra, welcome to this channel. Okay, let's start with the most iconic, the Tomboy white shirt. This one. A white shirt is the basis of any woman's wardrobe because allow us to create endless outfits for different kinds of occasions. You can wear a white button-up shirt to do the most casual outfit, for your workwear outfits, but also for a more special event. Yes, it's that versatile. This shirt is made in 100% organic cotton. It's a thick fabric with some structure, but really soft on the skin, and especially it's not see-through. This is a high quality fabric and is indeed a good value for money. It's a straight fit, not too tight nor oversized. It's the ultimate classic cut. It has a chest pocket, and I'm doing here a close-up so that you can see this extra oblique seam that reinforces the pocket. This is a sign of high standard quality that only a few brands do. I really love this attention to details that Sezane so often puts into their clothing. Okay, here I haven't done the cuffs up and I have left it untucked so that you can see kind of where it falls on me. It's the perfect length to tuck, but also to wear opened or untucked. And for reference, I'm 5'7". Size-wise, I'd say that this shirt runs on the small side. Again, it's a straight cut shirt, and you can see how this fits on me. This is size European 40, US 8. I went up one size and I think it fits perfectly. So, my advice is, when deciding your correct size, take into consideration your bust and shoulders measurements, but also the length of your arms. So, if you're taller, you need a bigger size. The Tomboy is available in 17 different colors and patterns. I love this design so much that I also have it in these really nice blue ecru thin stripes. This one is also made in 100% organic cotton. Again, a very high quality fabric with structure, not see-through. I have them both for almost 3 years now and they are perfect. I wash them in a delicate cycle in the washing machine, but I don't tumble dry them. I hang them and let them dry in the air. I can show you, this one has just come out of the washing machine and left hair drying in a hanger, and you can see it has almost no creases. This just needs a quick ironing or steaming and it's ready to wear. So I do recommend the Tomboy in cotton as they are a very easy care fabric. To finish my Tomboy collection, I also own this striped version. It has these wider stripes in ecru and green, really beautiful. And this one is a thinner fabric. It's made in a blend of cotton and linen. It's more of a relaxed feel due to the fabric itself, and so I wanted to wear it more casually, even as a cover up for the pool or the beach. Because of that, I wanted more oversized. I went 2 sizes up. Instead of my usual 38, I went for European 42, or US 10. So the Tomboy is a very classic shirt that can be styled up or down, worn casually, or to do a more formal outfit. It's incredibly versatile. It's one of those pieces that will never go out of style, and the quality is second to none. Definitely an amazing purchase. Some doubts that some of you have asked me if these shrink after washing, and my answer is no. These two that I have it for 3 years now and they are just like new. So moving on to the Max shirt. I own 3 Max shirts. The classic white, this one in pink and ecru stripes, and this one in light denim. Mine are all made in 100% organic cotton. This one, the striped one, is a crisp fabric, like a thick poplin. It's not see-through. The denim one is a thick fabric but very malleable, which make it incredibly soft and easy to wear, also to style in different ways. And the white one is a thick fabric with more structure than the Tomboy, and it's also not see-through, and this is really important and shows the quality of your garments. Again, the highest quality material that makes it a really good value for money. You would find similar quality in other brands, but at a much higher price point. So let's compare the Max with the Tomboy. When comparing the white Max with the white Tomboy, I can say that the Max, it's a thicker fabric, and I think it's due to the fact that the Max is an oversized shirt that is also meant to be worn loose or opened. Nonetheless, you can also wear this shirt tucked into a skirt or trousers, like I did here. Another way that I just love to wear the Max is unbuttoned, then crisscross both front parts the best you can do and tuck it into a skirt. In this case, I opted for a mini skirt, adjust the collar and open as much as you want. With my new gold sandals, also from Sezane, and some beautiful accessories, I have the perfect summer evening out outfit. What do you think? Do you wear your shirts like this? Coming back to the main differences between the Tomboy and the Max, I can say that the Max is a thicker, more structured fabric. It's oversized and the Tomboy is a straight, classic cut. The Max is longer with its 73 centimeters, around 29 inches, while the Tomboy is 67 centimeters. The Max has a rounded hemline. I think it's called the liquette bottom. I can show you like this. Again, perfect to wear untucked. The similarities between Max and Tomboy: both have a chest pocket, they both have mother of pearl buttons, the same classic collar and the same type of cuffs. Size-wise, the white and the striped pink and ecru are European 40 or US 8. So I went up a size. And the light blue denim is European 38 or US 6. Let's compare these two, 38 and 40. And the truth is, the difference is minimum. When it comes to the length of the shirt itself, I may say they are almost same size. I may say that if you are like me and like to wear oversized shirts, you should stay true to your size if you are more on the petite side, and go up a size if you are taller. Otherwise, the sleeves will be too short. Also, if you are on the petite side and have a pear-shaped silhouette and you don't like to wear really oversized shirts, the best design is definitely the Tomboy in chambray, and you could go with a larger size than usual and get the same style effect of the Max in denim. Just fold the front part, tuck just the necessary, and at the back twist the fabric, secure it with a hair tie and fold this part upwards. Voila! An easy way to wear a long shirt and don't have this extra fabric that will be otherwise too bulky. The Max is also available in other fabrics, lighter linens, linen and cotton blends, in viscose, and even in cotton and silk blends. And it's also interesting to see how the fit changes so much depending on the fabric, even if it's the same exact cut. So last on today's video, the Maxence shirt. I have the new Maxence. This time I went for the fuchsia. As you see, it's a bright color. I'm wearing it right now. It's a bright, joyful color. I already have it in cream and talked about in previous videos. This one is made in 100% silk. It's not too thin. It's actually a really good quality silk, and I'm always saying this, but the truth is Sezane silk shirts are washable, and this is for me one of the most important characteristics of a fabric. For me is a big no if I see a silk shirt that can only be dry cleaned. So again, an amazing value for money. So the Maxence has also an oversized cut, but this flowy silky fabric make it look not so oversized. It has this relaxed vibe, just like the Max, with the shoulder line slightly down. The hemline is straight and it has a classic collar with two front patch pockets. The cuffs are longer and have a single button, allowing to fold the bottom part like this. It will make the sleeves a little bit shorter, and if you want you can wear a sweater on top and fold this part over the sweater. I'm wearing my usual size, European 38, US 6, and I think it's great. So the length is the same as the Max, 73 centimeters, around 29 inches. The Maxence is available in other colors and also fabrics. The silk versions are the cream, the fuchsia and a beautiful electric blue. I went with the fuchsia because I had in mind this outfit that I'm wearing right now, so to pair it with my new Annette Midi skirt for an event and with these gold sandals, perfect for special occasions. They're feminine and the mid-heel is not too high, making these shoes really comfortable. So, but today's video is not about Sezane shoes, so let's get back to the shirts. So, Max, Maxence or Tomboy, they all can be styled in the daytime, more with a pair of trousers or denim jeans, flat shoes or a low heel and some simple jewelry. And then, if you want to jazz them up for night, go for a bigger heel, go for some gold statement earrings, add a clutch back in if you want, and it really transforms it from that slightly more office feel to something a little bit more glamorous. So they all are incredibly versatile. For me, Max, Maxence and Tomboy are the most iconic and those I wear the most, and so I wanted to do a video comparing these three shirts that are always on rotation on my wardrobe. So I hope today's video could help you in any way. If there's something you want to know that I didn't mention, feel free to ask me. I would love to answer all your questions, and I'd love to know your favorite shirt. Among these three that I styled today, I think I love them all equally, as for me they serve different purposes. So I will leave the links down below as always, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my next one. Bye bye!